What's up, guys? I got a little show tonight for my aunt's birthday. We got like 3 500-gram cakes, 1 200-gram cake, fan slice, 12 shot mortar, and 96 shot cyber candle, and little big boy here. Have some fun with that. This is like a little mini zipper, pretty much. This has got 9 shots. Mine's, I think it's like a silver mines, like glitter. These bamboozle, I'm pretty sure everybody knows bamboozle like that. It's pretty good. This has brakes, glitter brakes, really nice colors. Proline, strobe, white strobe mines. Really nice, 13 shots. It's a slice. And these are Mega Banger, I think, neons. So it's a little small show. Shoot it with the Cobra 18M. It's gonna be nice. Alright, this is where we set up for the show. My fireworks are down there. Right down there. I'm all the way up here up top. It's like a little balcony. Above everybody. Everybody's down there. Pool. So yeah. Here goes the show set up. I got the cyber candles at a V. I got Knots a Day set up. I got Bamboozle set up. Rum Dum. I got, I think this is Not My Circus. I got my fan and my 12 shells set up on the 18M. I have 4 of these, but I got it set up on here. It's showing all continuity. Let's see. Light it up. What's it doing? Reset it. Put it in test mode. Lighten up. Hit test. I got all 7 set up. It's all set up right. Sure to go. Got everybody over here. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. But I got everybody set up here. Everybody at the pool. Just sitting here waiting for it to get dark.